Hello, folks. My name is Dan Abella, and I'm the trainer and founder of the New York NLP Institute. I'm very excited to tell you about a brand new program that I'll be teaching on Sunday, March 28th, live in New York City. It's called An Introduction to NLP. Now, NLP stands for Neurolinguistic Programming, which is the science of success conditioning, the science of verbal and nonverbal behavior. Now, some of you might have heard of these people: Tony Robbins, Jordan Belfort, Gary Vee, Grant Cardone. Well, all of them use NLP and credit NLP to substantially improve their lives. But more importantly, political, business, and marketing leaders are currently using NLP to get their products across to you. So this workshop will be an opportunity for you to step up your game and learn the tools of the big boys. Now, we've all gone through really challenging times in the past year. So right now is the moment to really step up our game and really use the very best tools to take our game to the next level. Now, some of the techniques that you'll be learning, and I basically will be showing you 7 techniques. 1, how to achieve profound states of relaxation. 2, early morning practices and how to access your unconscious and your transpersonal self. 3 bulletproof communication techniques that will break through even the most resistant of clients. 4, define your passion, your purpose, your mission in life. 5, how to remove limiting beliefs and replace these with life-affirming, powerful drivers. 6, how to create your life map so you know you're navigating to your North Star. And 7, how to develop relationships, families, success, and other important areas of your life. We've all been through challenging periods, and this will be an opportunity for you to step up your game and to really learn the cutting edge of technology. So I hope you join me on Sunday, March 28th, live in New York City. Registration is limited due to social distance guidelines, so please register early, grab that seat, and I hope to see you there. God bless, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.